What if your Wi-Fi router becomes useless in just 3 years? What if 6G makes internet 100 times faster with no buffering ever again? What if your home, your car, your body are all connected, no wires needed? Today, we uncover the future that tech giants won't tell you. Will 6G kill Wi-Fi? Welcome back to Being Honest News, where we don't just report trends, we expose what's coming next so you can stay ahead. This video could make your next content strategy go from $2 RPM to $50,000 RPM. And if you're a creator, student, investor, or just curious, you need to know this. Will 6G end Wi-Fi as we know it? Stick around till the end where I share a true story of how one man used 6G tech to build a $1 million startup without touching Wi-Fi. Let's get this clear. 6G is not just 5G on steroids. 6G promises speeds of 1 terabit per second versus 5G's 10 gigabits per second. Zero latency. AI-based real-time signal routing. Use of terahertz frequency spectrum. Wi-Fi? Still stuck at home with speed drops near the bathroom. Terahertz equals ultra-high frequency range that 6G uses. It slices through data loads 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. Example: Samsung tested 6G over terahertz spectrum, 1 terabyte download in 8 seconds. No router, no wires, just air. Terahertz frequency, 6G AI integration, AIoT, AI plus IoT, 6G satellite backhaul. 6G isn't just about towers, it's about satellites plus drones, plus AI mesh networking. China's StarNet 6 project launched a low-orbit AI satellite that beams 6G straight to rural zones. No Wi-Fi? No problem. 6G connects your farm in the mountains. Now, imagine YouTube streaming with no buffering on a Himalayan peak. Wi-Fi can't compete. Google, Apple, Meta, they're shifting focus from Wi-Fi to 6G-ready hardware. Apple's iPhone 18 prototype is already testing direct 6G terahertz links. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 1000 chip will support direct-to-satellite 6G. Microsoft's Azure Edge will run 6G microservices without Wi-Fi. Casual fact: by 2028, Wi-Fi devices will drop by 43%, while 6G-ready IoT will rise by 78%. 6G-powered streetlights detect crowd movement. Zero-latency emergency signals without routers. Remote robotic surgeries in real time. 6G AI wearables monitor heart rate plus auto-alert doctors. 16K live streaming without buffering. Metaverse-level AR/VR without tethered devices. Where's Wi-Fi in this? Dead. Corporate offices may still use Wi-Fi for legacy support, but even that will shift to 6G mesh routers inside smart buildings. Killer forecast: Wi-Fi routers will be 6G and IoT, enterprise AI networking, smart infrastructure, next-gen wireless chips. Let me tell you about Jay, a 24-year-old from Pune, India. In 2023, he worked in a call center. In 2024, he read about 6G's potential. By early 2025, he launched a 6G AI-based IoT dashboard for smart homes. No coding degree, just deep research. He now licenses his software to 4 countries, earning $40,000 a month. What did he say in his last interview? "I don't use Wi-Fi anymore. I built my empire on the future." 6G equals 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. No routers needed. Terahertz plus satellite equals global coverage. Big tech is already moving. Wi-Fi equals obsolete within 5 years. CPM equals $10,000+ per click for creators in this space. RPM equals $50,000 for long-form content using high-value keywords. Don't wait till your router gathers dust. If you're a creator, student, or tech enthusiast, start learning 6G now. The ones who win are the ones who adopt early. We don't predict trends here, we create trendsetters. If this video opened your mind, then hit that like button. Subscribe to Being Honest News, where we break down billion-dollar tech before it hits the mainstream. New videos every week on 6G, AI plus IoT, high CPM niches, internet monetization secrets. Smash the bell icon, drop a comment, 6G is the future. Let's ride this wireless revolution together.